Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model 3 side mirror folding failures and outlines commonly documented factors that can affect automatic or manual mirror folding behavior across supported model years. Side mirror folding issues on the Tesla Model May 3rd appear as mirrors not folding when locking the vehicle, not unfolding when driving begins, or folding unevenly between the left and right sides. In some cases, mirrors may stop mid-movement or fail to respond to both touchscreen controls and vehicle locking actions. Verified technical information indicates that this behavior can vary by model year, software version, and mirror hardware revision. Documented causes include software-related control logic, where mirror fold commands may not execute correctly after sleep cycles, profile changes, or over-the-air updates. In some cases, recalibration may be required before folding functions resume normally. Environmental resistance such as ice, dust, or debris around the mirror hinge can also interfere with movement, particularly in colder climates or after extended outdoor parking. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional verified factors include internal mirror motor wear or increased resistance in the folding mechanism over time. Wiring or connector strain inside the mirror assembly may also affect power delivery, especially if the issue occurs intermittently or after mirror impact or bodywork. As a possibility, incomplete software calibration after mirror replacement could contribute to abnormal folding behavior, though this does not apply to every case. General guidance includes checking mirror fold settings within vehicle controls, ensuring the mirrors are free of obstruction, and observing whether the issue is consistent or intermittent. If the condition persists across software updates, a service inspection may be required to evaluate the mirror motor or internal components. Overall, Tesla Model 3 side mirror folding failures can result from a combination of software behavior, mechanical resistance, and component wear. The cause and severity can differ by model year, usage conditions, and hardware version, and not all cases indicate a permanent fault. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.